Replacing a handle on one of SKB's 3i cases is easy. For this procedure, you will need a replacement handle pins, a small mallet or hammer, and a pair of pliers. First, take the replacement handle pin and align it with the existing pin on the case. Using sharp, swift strokes, knock out the existing pin from the handle. Then, remove the existing pin with the pliers. Repeat this procedure on the other side. Pull the new pins out in order to facilitate removal of the old handle. Align the new handle with the holes on the case. Place the new pin in the hole on the case. Using sharp, swift strokes, knock the new pin into the case.